Hi guys, this is Jace with the Twin Cities Elite Real Estate Group. I'm actually just here in a new development in East Bethel. Although East Bethel has a lot of acreage properties, this is actually more of a city lot development. This specific development is actually the Viking Preserve. It's conveniently located off of 65. Just kind of wanted to give you an idea of what you could kind of expect to see in this development in terms of new construction that's going up. As you can see here, this property is a split entry. This property is going to be 3 beds, 2 baths, and it features a 3-stall garage, which is super nice. It has about 1,300 finished square feet with an unfinished basement, and that's kind of in that price point of a 350 to 400 in this specific development. So just kind of wanted to give you an idea of what that looks like in East Bethel specifically. I'll just shoot you down here and show you other properties that are currently in the development here. As you can see, there's a lot of properties that are under construction, but the development's really taken shape very nicely. So if you have any questions about this development or East Bethel, be happy to talk to you about that, and hope everybody's having a great summer here. Thanks, guys.